Tired of digging through Elementor menus for accessibility options? Learn to install the Ally Accessibility widget in under 3 minutes. I'll show you the exact 5 steps from editing your page to installing the widget. Just follow along and you'll have it ready. All right, let's start by going to Edit Home with Elementor so we can get into the page builder. Then click on General in the Settings panel to open up the main options. Now, from there, click on Ally Accessibility to jump into the Accessibility section. Go ahead and click on Install Web Accessibility, which will add an accessibility widget visitors can use to navigate your site. Finally, hit Install Now to finish, and that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.